Hey boo, so today's video is sponsored by Dollar General and I'm going to be doing a full face tutorial using some makeup. It's a new beauty line called Believe Beauty, sold exclusively at Dollar General. Everything in the line is $5 and under, including the foundation, honey. And I found some really good stuff at Dollar General. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen what I found in store and also what they sent me in my stories. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get rid of this face and get something cute going on, okay?
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. 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 I won't make it easy for you. I wanna make you sweat on me. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow.
I just want to hop on real quick and thank you for staying with me and watching till the end. And I also want to tell you which were my favorite and my most standout products. So the foundation, the color that I am wearing is chestnut. And it is, for me, it was medium coverage. Maybe if I went in more and more, because I can still sort of see a little bit of my dark spots peeking through and a little bit under the eye as well. And so I know I'm super picky. So it's, for me, it's not full, it's not medium to full, it is medium coverage. So I'll say that. So you'll definitely need a concealer underneath. The other thing that, so that's that, but what I loved, and will be buying more of, because there were other palettes that I saw that I absolutely adored, were the Believe Beauty eyeshadows. Like, the pigment on this, like crazy. Like, never seen this kind of pigment in a drugstore eyeshadow. And in fact, I would say this is the most pigmented, not only pigmented, but super soft shadow I've ever gotten from the drugstore, or like, you know, drugstore, like a dollar store, basically. Super soft. I also think the packaging is really, really solid. Like, usually you get that cheap plastic, like you drop it and it breaks like immediately. Like, you don't even have to drop it that far for sort of drugstore palettes and products. But the packaging, this is a glass bottle. It squeezes like $4.50. Like, listen, I'm sorry, you just can't go wrong. I have, you know, I get a lot of makeup and I'm trying makeup all the time. But I have to say, I really feel like this line is a standout line for the drugstore. So the eyeshadow palette, get you 5 of these, because I'm about to go to Dollar General right after I finish filming this to get me a couple more of those. Do I need it? No. But for $4 or $5, yes. So this is the Believe Beauty Get Glowing Highlight and Contour Palette. Obviously, you cannot, if you're my complexion, you're not going to be able to contour with any of these colors. But I believe the highlight shade in this is bomb, as you see here. Like, gorgeous, gorgeous. What else is making me excited? Okay, the blush, I was so surprised by the pigmentation. I had not tried this blush before I sat down here. So the blush, again, for me, so to me, it seems like the powder products are the standout products here. Loved the blush. Like, this pigment, I think it just goes on my skin beautifully. It has a little sheen to it, so it's like a matte blush. It's definitely got a little bit almost like a highlightery effect to it. So pigmented, bomb, definitely going to be on rotation heavy this summer. My overall thoughts about this collection is, again, you know what I just said I loved. But I also feel like it is geared towards more of the, like, a moisturizing product. The eyebrow pencil wasn't dry enough, so I know, like, on a hot summer day, it's gonna slide off my face. So definitely you're gonna wanna use your primer under your eyes. Like, put your primer on your eyebrow, child. Primer, powder, then throw on the pencil. The color was great. You know, that's always a challenge for me as well, is finding in the drugstore pencils that are actually dark enough, that aren't black but aren't ashy either. So the color was perfect for my brows. So there's that, and I think that was pretty much it. The setting spray smelled nicely. It went on fine. It was nice and refreshing. The blending sponge was okay. So yeah, I mean, I think this is like, I feel super cute. Like, the gloss is popping. Listen, we about to go somewhere and do something, child. Right? Okay, anyway, thanks so much for entertaining me, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.
So keep us awake till the dawn.